In this video I'm going to log into the VidEra software and show you how it works. First off, I want to point out that this is a cloud-based app, so you can access it from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. On the left side of the menu we have the dashboard, where you can come back to the entire intuitive dashboard. Video funnels, where you can quickly create personalized video funnels. Video pages, where you can create interactive video pages with a few clicks. Video emails, where you can build your video emails without any coding or design skills needed. And then you can access your contacts and your actual emails. If you look here, this gives you the ability to manage teams right inside the dashboard. Then you have the integrations feature that lets you integrate with popular email marketing tools and payment processors. And we also have additional features for power users, such as the reseller manager and white label access. If you're looking for a more personalized way to reach out to people online, the video funnel is a tool that allows you to start video conversations with respondents. This is a simple and effective way to get closer to your audience without any hard work required. Record a video straight from your phone or computer. Share the link for free traffic. Then wait for leads and buyers to roll in. You can also use VidEra video pages as your virtual solution to introducing yourself, your products, or your services in the most genuine way. Because this is an interactive and personalized approach, we routinely see much higher click-through and conversion rates than traditional video. VidEra bridges the gap between your offer and your customers in the most seamless way possible. VidEra helps you create real, human relationships with your customers so that you can build trust, close sales, and generate repeat business, which substantially increases your profits when compared with traditional methods. Plus, can easily track your video page to see your customers' replies and their interactions with you and your products or services. Because VidEra is a complete, personalized video solution, you also have the ability to send video emails right inside the app. VidEra offers multiple email templates that are proven to get results, and you can add conversion-boosting CTAs, GIFs, and more with the click of your mouse. And because it's crucial to always know how things are going, getting analytics is fast and easy. VidEra gives you everything you need to get free traffic from 3 high-traffic channels with the click of your mouse. Which means you can now get more leads than ever before. And ultimately, the automated tools you need to close more deals, get more buyers, and engage your customers for repeat business. To get started, simply choose one of the payment options below.